At Amcrest, we believe that security should be for everyone. That's why we make everything we offer not only affordable, but painless to set up. There are things we all worry about. For example, did I forget to close the garage this morning? Are my kids home from school yet? Or maybe you're wondering what your little one is doing right now. There's a difference between hoping and knowing. When you don't have to worry, it's easier to focus on what's important. When you have the power to see things for yourself, you're in control. Believe us when we tell you, it's nice not to be in the dark. Amcrest. Simple, reliable, secure.
Amcrest 1080p Wi-Fi camera indoor, Nanny cam, dog camera, sound and baby monitor, human and pet detection, motion tracking, phone app, pan, tilt wireless IP camera, night vision, smart home. ASH21W 1080p pan, tilt, zoom Wi-Fi camera, live streaming 1080p at 30 fps video. Remotely pan, tilt, and zoom, PTZ, from the app or set it to auto track and detect humans in AI mode. High quality Full HD 1080p video at 30 fps for a crisp and clear picture. Records directly to MicroSD card, up to 256 gigabytes. Always free, optional cloud storage as well as compatibility with third-party recording software. Through intelligent motion detection. When the Amcrest Wi-Fi baby camera detects movement, it will automatically send a notification to your phone and record the footage to your SD card or cloud. The camera can set smart filters to only detect human movement, thereby reducing false alarms. It can also be set to automatically track movement, panning, and tilting to track the movement of a person as they traverse across a room. Sound alarm mode, sharing an Alexa. The Amcrest Wi-Fi camera can operate as a baby monitor with adjustable Vox alarm. This allows you to receive notifications on your phone based on adjustable sound thresholds, such as baby crying, or dog barking decibel levels, with no movement necessary. The Wi-Fi camera baby monitor can also be shared with multiple family members so everyone can have access to the live video and recordings. Works with Alexa. Storage options and night vision. Store your footage directly on the MicroSD card, up to 256 gigabytes. Not included, or save your footage remotely on the cloud, 1 year free, then $2 per month. Also, compatible with Amcrest NVRs and third-party surveillance software through SDK integration including Blue Iris, Synology and QNAP NAS, ZoneMinder, RTSP, and more. Night vision capability up to 33 feet. In absolute darkness. Easy installation. US support and warranty. The installation of the Amcrest baby monitor is incredibly easy and straightforward. The camera can be mounted on the wall, ceiling, or tabletop and fully set up in 5 minutes or less. You'll receive a full 1-year US warranty and lifetime technical support provided directly from Amcrest. Amcrest is a United States-based company, headquartered in Houston, Texas. All data is stored in the US at Amazon AWS servers maintained by Amcrest engineers. (1080p HD resolution). Observe magnificent 1080p HD video footage at 30 fps with enhanced low light capability and night vision up to 33 feet. Cover every angle with an extra wide 93 degrees viewing angle. And remote pan, tilt and digital zoom. Works with Alexa using the Amcrest smart home app. Enhanced AI features and alerts. Receive intelligent alerts anytime motion or audio is detected. Using the new audio detection feature. Automatically track and record moving objects by turning on auto tracking mode. Minimize false alerts by enabling human detection. Turn your device into a fully featured baby monitor with the baby monitor mode. Flexible storage options. Includes 1 free year of smart home cloud storage to remotely store in. Playback your recordings securely via Amazon AWS. Locally store your recordings to a 256 GB MicroSD card or record directly to Amcrest NVR or DVR. Live streaming capability to Amcrest View Pro, Blue, Iris and third-party software using RTSP. This product may contain components which are not NDAA compliant. Two-way talk and privacy mode. Communicate with your kids, pets and loved ones using the two-way talk feature via the Amcrest smart home app. Enable privacy mode to turn off live view, recordings, and alerts, giving you privacy when you need it.